Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to trade a Bitcoin on IQ option. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up the chart. So go to iqoption.com/trade room. Then from here, sign into your account. Now from here, we've got two options. We can trade using real money or practice amount. I'm just going to do practice account for this demonstration. Now to the left of this, we can see our different assets we can trade. So go ahead and click on open new asset, and then from here we want to go ahead and click onto crypto tab, and then it should be the first one to the right. So assets is Bitcoin. If it isn't, you can just do search by name or ticker, but let's go ahead and click onto Bitcoin. Now we're going to be inside the Bitcoin charts. Now once it loads, we can add indicators if you like. From here we can change the chart type and muck around with all that stuff. But in order to make a trade, if we come to the right, it's going to say the invest amount. So at the moment I've got a preset of 1,000. I might just trade 200 and say $49 with a leverage of, I reckon I'll do 6 for this, and it's going to show me the volume. Now we've got take profit and stop loss. So you want to set them, so we can set them. So take profit when we're up about 250 bucks. I might change that to 200. Now to the right of that, we've got profit percentage, profit in money or asset price. I'm just going to keep it profit in money, and I'm going to do the same for stop loss. So when loss is at $100, and I'm going to keep this loss in money, and now I'm going to hit enter. Then from here, I'm going to go ahead and click onto buy. So I'm going to buy Bitcoin at this price at 86,209. Now, if we go ahead and look at the bottom here, we can go ahead and look at how our trade's going. So isolate a margin. So I've bought 249. I'm currently down 26 cents. But as you know, on trade, it's going to bounce around. And these are my other trades here. So I'm trading gold and Ethereum. Now, if you want to close your position, you can. So to the right of this, I can go ahead and click on to close. So yeah, that's just a quick run through of how to trade Bitcoin on IQ option.